F330X appears in your mind, so you get confused. 550X लूं या Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about F&D 2.1 speaker. Two competitors, which is F&D 550X and F&D F380X. So if in case you are planning to buy 550X and sometimes it happens that F330X appears in your mind, so you get confused 550X लूं या 380X लूं. You get confused between F380X or F550X. चलिए उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. Let me just go ahead and quickly take out the speaker from the box. Now if you are interested in checking unboxing video or information about this particular speaker or about this particular speaker, I will share the link in the description below. You can go ahead and check out both speaker and then you can probably come to this video and watch this comparison. I hope that will help you. So let's just go ahead and unbox. This is F380X and I like the speaker because of its look. Let me take you closer to that. So this is a bigger display and all the buttons here. This looks wonderful. Same as 3800X, the 5.1. उसी के जैसा है कुछ. And let's watch the other one, 550X. Even it has a different look altogether. I hope you have watched the unboxing video. If not, check out the description, you'll find the link for both the speakers. Now I'm going to talk about the difference of both the speaker. This one has a 5.25-inch subwoofer and it doesn't sound that great in terms of bass. So this 550X has 6.5-inch subwoofer and this one it has 5.25 subwoofer. Definitely it does produce a lot of difference during the test. And both has NFC, both has USB, Bluetooth 4.0. Remote is same in design. I'll just show you. This is the remote for F380X and this is the remote for 550X, which is similar. In the unboxing video you'll find the entire information about it. So let us go ahead and switch this speakers one by one and let's find out the difference, and I'll let you know my review after that. So it's time for sound test.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So that was the side-by-side comparison between F&D F380X and F&D 550X. What I felt, the clarity was almost same between both two. However, in terms of bass, F550X was much better. Now you have to decide that which one you like the most. F&D 550X has more elegant look, however F&D 380X has more appealing look. So both has multi-color LEDs and both has display on that. So in terms of design, I like both of them because 550 being on elegant look, and if you talk about F380X has more vibrant look. So you have to choose which design you like first of all. Now in terms of clarity, both are fabulous. F&D 380X is 54 RMS and F550X is 56 RMS. So not much difference in terms of sound. However, 550 has a bigger bass. Both has aux, both has USB, both has FM, both has NFC, and yes, both has display. 550X woofer is a kind of square, however F380X speaker is kind of rectangle. Now both speakers are very similar to each other, however if you're looking for more punchier, more better bass, go for 550X instead of 380. There is not much price difference. F380 comes in Indian market today at 3800. However, 550X in Indian market is available for 4000 rupees. So 200 rupees difference in price. So that was a quick comparison between F550X and F380X. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments and I would love to answer them. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, so it will motivate me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching the entire video. Stay happy, stay blessed. And yes, the links are given in the description below. If you want to make a purchase of that, go to the link and you'll find this.